Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank the Jember State Polytechnic for organizing this event.
Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Aldina Anggabulan and this is my partner.
My name is Sifarani. We are a team from Madiun State Polytechnic. Today we will present the result of our poster with the title Creating Hope for Students in an Inclusive and Sustainable Economy.
Inclusive and sustainability economic transformation is an effort to achieve economic growth that does not only take into account short-term economic interests, but also pay attention to environmental sustainability and social inclusion. It includes economic policies, practices that promote socially, economically, and environmentally balanced growth.
The goal is to create an economic system that not only improves economic prosperity but also protects the environment, reduce inequality, and ensure broader participation in the economic development process. Thus, inclusive and sustainable economic transformation aims to achieve sustainable growth in economic, social, and environmental terms.
In the midst of current global dynamics, economic transformation towards an inclusive and sustainable model is becoming increasingly urgent. Challenges such as economic inequality, environmental damage, and unequal access to economic opportunities require an active role from every element of society, including accounting students.
Accounting students face a number of challenges in accelerating inclusive and sustainable economic transformation. One of the main challenges is poverty and the economic gap between urban and rural areas. Apart of that, uneven infrastructure can also be an obstacle for accounting students in accelerating economic transformation. Gaining access to community or relevant stakeholders to collaborate and implement projects cannot be challenged, especially for students who do not yet have an extensive network. And then limited time, fund, and access to resources to implement significant projects or initiatives. And then the last one is limited access to education and healthcare.
Students are often faced with complex challenges that do not have clear solutions. So, students need to be prepared to face uncertainty and change. Nevertheless, accounting students have a very important role in accelerating inclusive and sustainable economic transformation.
First, we can help improve transparent and accountable political governance and reduce corruption. Apart from that, we can also contribute to economic innovation and community empowerment to overcome unemployment and the economy. Then we also need to fight for unfair community rights, build and support social entrepreneurial ventures that focus on solving social and environmental problems while creating economic value for marginalized communities.
Therefore, let us together recognize the challenges we face and take an active role to accelerating economic transformation towards a more inclusive, sustainable, and just future for all.
That's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your nice attention and see you next time and goodbye.
Accounting for Economy, Accelerator of Sustainable Inclusive Economic Transformation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam vokasi.